Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvy Yogi, and welcome to my series, Yoga with This Curvy Yogi. And today I am bringing you a 5-minute nighttime routine that you can do before you take a nap or before you try to get a good night's rest. So I hope that you will try this along with me, and let's get into it.
Every part of me is beautiful, and I finally see I'm a work of art, a masterpiece.
So we are going to start in bridge pose. So you want to have your knees bent and feet flat on the mat, and then lay down on your back. Once you're there, walk your feet back towards your hips. Have your hands down by your side. Take an inhale. And exhale as you lift your hips. Just think about using your core to keep yourself lifted. Press down through your feet. Press down through your hands. And don't forget to breathe when you get there. Press down to lift up a little more. Take an inhale, and then exhale as you lower back down to the mat. From here, we're going to come into a figure 4 stretch or a reclined pigeon pose. So you're going to inhale and bring that right knee into your chest. On the exhale, cross that right ankle in front of the left knee. And then lift your left foot. Reach your hand through the triangle that you formed, and then grab the back of the left thigh. And then keep both feet flexed while you're in this position. This is just to help us to get into the hips a little bit more. You can also use a strap here on the back of your thigh if it's a little hard to reach through. Take a strap or a towel and just grab both sides. Put the back of it on the back of your thigh, and then reach forward. And then take an inhale. Exhale, release the hands, release the left foot, and bring the right foot back down to the mat. Bring the hands down to your side. We're going to come into another bridge pose. So take an inhale. On the exhale, lift the hips. And don't forget to breathe. And take an inhale and exhale back down to the mat. We'll come into that same reclined pigeon pose on the other side. So inhale that left knee in, cross that left ankle in front of the right knee, lift the right leg, reach through, grab the back of the right thigh. Take an inhale, exhale, release the hands, release the right foot, and then bring the left foot down. From here, you're going to bring your arms out to your sides. Inhale as you bring both knees into your chest. On the exhale, you're going to let the knees fall over to the left, coming into a twist. And just a twist all the way up the spine. Bring your gaze over to the right. And then inhale as you bring your knees back up to center. Exhale as you let them fall over to the right. And then your gaze goes over to the left. And inhale as you bring your knees back up to center. Exhale, both feet down to the mat. From here, you can get up any way you see fit. Then we'll come back to sit in easy pose or with your legs crossed. Sit with a tall spine. So maybe lift the shoulders up and back. Your hands can be placed on your knees, or you can have them placed with the palms facing up. Just depends on your preference. And we're just going to end this practice with 4 deep breaths where we'll inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. So when you're ready, let's inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. If you had your eyes closed, gently open your eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this 5-minute practice. I hope that it helps you to be in the mindset to get a good night's rest. So thanks for watching, thanks for participating, and I will see you guys in my next video.